Greetings and welcome to the course. Let me give you a quick introduction as to who I am. My name is Nathan House and I'm the CEO and founder of the cybersecurity company Station X. I'll be your instructor throughout this comprehensive course. I have over 24 years experience in cybersecurity and have advised many of the largest companies in the world. I've assured security on multi-million and even multi-billion pound projects. I've provided security guidance to companies such as Vodafone, BP, Visa, the London 2012 Olympics, and a number of banks and financial institutions, plus many others. I was the security lead on a number of the UK mobile banking apps, so if you live in the UK, you may well have an app in your pocket on your phone that I have helped secure. I have many security qualifications including CISP, CISM, CISA, SCF, among many others. Over the years, I've spoken at a number of conferences, developed free security tools, and discovered serious security vulnerabilities in leading applications. So, in theory, I should know what I'm talking about when it comes to security and privacy, unless I've just been somehow getting away with it all these years. It's never been more important than it is today to maintain good security, to enable privacy and anonymity. I am extremely passionate about helping you to learn and achieve your goals, and I'm very excited to be here to teach you. If you have any questions, please just ask. I'm here to help.